Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best tile saw on the market for this year. These cutting-edge tools are designed to make your tile projects a breeze, delivering precise cuts and unmatched performance. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Skill 7-inch wet tile saw. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient wet tile saw, the Skill 7-inch wet tile saw is an outstanding choice for both beginners and experienced professionals. With its powerful motor and precision cutting capabilities, this tile saw will make your tiling projects a breeze. This tile saw is a 7-inch diamond blade that effortlessly cuts through various materials, including ceramic, porcelain, and stone. The adjustable rip fence and miter gauge ensures accurate and clean cuts, allowing you to achieve professional-looking results every time. Whether you're working on small or large tiles, the skill can handle them all with ease. Another impressive aspect of this tile saw is its water reservoir and water containment system. The built-in reservoir keeps the blade cool during operation, reducing friction and ensuring smooth cuts. Additionally, the water containment system minimizes the mess, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. The lightweight and compact design of the Skill 7-inch wet tile saw makes it highly portable, allowing you to take it to different job sites without any hassle. Its user-friendly controls and straightforward setup save you time and effort, making it an excellent option for enthusiasts and professionals on the go. Number 2. Porter Cable Tile Saw. For remodelers and enthusiasts seeking a powerful and durable tile saw, the Porter Cable tile cutter is the ultimate choice. This tile saw's high-performance 2850 RPM motor ensures swift and precise cuts, making it perfect for a wide range of tile cutting projects. The stainless steel cutting deck not only adds to the saw's sturdiness, but also resists water and debris, providing long-lasting durability. You can rely on this saw to withstand the rigors of demanding job sites and ensure consistent performance over time. With its sliding cart system, the Porter Cable allows you to effortlessly cut tiles up to 24 inches in length and 17 inches diagonally. The integrated miter square and adjustable rip fence enable accurate and repeatable cuts, making it ideal for large-scale projects or intricate designs. This tile saw is its water management system. The onboard water reservoir keeps the blade cool during operation, while the roll cage and splash guard prevent water from splashing outside the cutting area, maintaining a clean and safe workspace. Number 3. DeWalt Wet Tile Saw. If you're in search of a compact yet robust wet tile saw, the DeWalt is an exceptional choice for handling masonry and tile cutting tasks. Its 4/3/8-inch diamond blade and powerful motor deliver precise and efficient cuts, making it perfect for small to medium-sized projects. What sets this tile saw apart is its lightweight and ergonomic design, allowing for easy transportation and comfortable operation. The DWC-860WS plunge feature enables quick and controlled cuts, while the 13-foot water line ensures continuous water flow to the blade, reducing dust and prolonging the blade's life. The DeWalt is engineered to tackle various materials, from ceramic and porcelain to stone and masonry. Its adjustable depth of cut allows you to achieve different cutting depths, adding versatility to your projects. Number 4. Makita CC02R112V Max Cordless Tile Glass Saw Kit. Experience the freedom of cordless cutting with the Makita 12V Max CXT Cordless Tile Glass Saw Kit. This innovative tile saw is powered by a 12V lithium-ion battery, offering convenience and portability without compromising performance. The 3/3/8-inch diamond blade is specifically designed for cutting tiles and glass with utmost precision. Despite its compact size, the Makita CC02R1 can handle various materials, making it an excellent choice for both tile installers and glass artisans. What makes this tile saw stand out is its water supply tank with a capacity of 500 milliliters, ensuring continuous water flow to the blade for efficient cooling and dust suppression. The water supply tank is easily detachable, making refilling a breeze. Additionally, the built-in LED light illuminates the cutting line, providing enhanced visibility, especially in low-light conditions. The included hex wrench allows for quick and easy blade changes, keeping you productive and efficient on the job. Number 5. DeWalt Wet Tile Saw with Stand. For heavy-duty tiling projects that demand power and reliability, the DeWalt Wet Tile Saw with Stand is the ultimate solution. With its impressive 15-amp motor and 10-inch diamond blade, this corded tile saw can handle large tiles and tough materials with ease. The integrated stainless steel rail system ensures precise and smooth cutting, while the adjustable dual water nozzles provide optimal water placement to the blade, keeping it cool and extending its lifespan. The water containment system minimizes splashes, maintaining a clean work environment. What sets this tile saw apart is the included stand, which provides stability and elevates the cutting surface to a comfortable height. The stand is foldable and easy to transport, making it convenient for job site use. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.